Start investing early. Even small amounts invested early can grow into substantial wealth over time due to compound interest. It's better to start imperfectly than wait for the perfect time. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation, even as your income grows. A modest lifestyle builds financial resilience and freedom. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants. Build an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved can prevent financial disasters during job losses or unexpected expenses. Debt management. Avoid high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans unless absolutely necessary. Focus on paying off debt aggressively while still saving and investing. Budgeting and tracking expenses. Understanding where your money goes is critical to controlling it. Tools like budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can be game changers. Build multiple income streams. Relying solely on a job is risky. Side hustles, freelance work, or investments can provide financial security. Don't overlook retirement savings. In your 20s and 30s, retirement seems far off, but the earlier you start, the less you'll have to save later. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, or equivalents in your country. Learn about tax planning. Understand tax deductions, credits, and incentives to save money. Investing tax efficiently, for example, through retirement accounts, can make a significant difference. Insurance is non-negotiable. Health, life, and disability insurance are essential to protect your financial future. Don't skimp on coverage, it can save you from financial ruin. Focus on skills and networking. Invest in education and skill development to increase earning potential. Build a strong professional network. It's often more valuable than you think. Avoid keeping up with others. Don't fall into the trap of comparing yourself with peers who seem more successful or spend lavishly. Their financial realities may not match appearances. Money buys freedom, not happiness. The goal isn't to have more money, but to use it to build a life aligned with your values and dreams. Seek financial literacy. Read books, attend workshops, or follow credible financial experts to improve your knowledge. Don't be afraid to ask for professional advice when needed. Be patient and think long-term. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on sustainable growth over quick wins. Practice gratitude and contentment. Appreciating what you have while striving for more creates a healthy relationship with money.